With our Photobacks Collage Creator Kit, you have all the design assets to build the most incredible collages. So let me show you this from building one from scratch. We can just double click one of the background layers included. You can see I have some of the design assets already open, pins and a paperclip tape. We have so many different photo masks and film strips and things that really look great. I'll click this one here and I'll just drag it right into the background. And I'll do the exact same thing, but I'll do this with, let's say, the pin or a piece of tape. So let's grab this pin here and drag that right into this background and just put the pin right above there so it looks like it's being tacked. But let me show you how to add your photo. All you have to do with Photobacks is click the purple layer, click Add Photo in Photobacks Control, double click the image you want to use, and it goes right into the template perfectly as a smart object, so you never lose quality. And then you can build out these incredible collages over and over. Take any one of these layers, you just drag it in, you can just position the layer where you want, resize it, etc., and you will have beautiful collages in seconds. Check it out at photobacks.com.